Hi, everyone. I'm Jane Hansen, here to say on behalf of the physicians and staff who work at Catholic Health, your health is our mission. Each week, we bring you lively, short stories about real people on Long Island who've been restored to wellness thanks to the expertise and commitment of the Catholic Health team of professionals. Today, we've got an amazing story about Suzanne Calicchio from Kings Park, who is truly lucky to be alive. After suffering a severe heart attack, emergency department staff at Catholic Hospital St. Catherine of Siena Hospital in Smithtown literally brought her back to life after using the shock paddles an astounding 33 times. Calicchio suffered what doctors refer to as a widowmaker, the worst kind of heart attack, because it results from a total blockage in a critical blood vessel called the left anterior descending artery. In May, Calicchio was home with her fiancé, Mike, when she experienced sudden chest pain and numbness in her arm. He called 911, and Calicchio was brought to St. Catherine's emergency department. Before ED staff were able to situate her on a patient bed, Calicchio went into sudden cardiac arrest. She was shocked 27 times by the ER staff who just wouldn't give up. She was then moved to the catheterization lab and shocked another 6 times prior to receiving a stent to open up the artery to restore blood flow. The procedure was performed by St. Catherine's interventional cardiologist, Dr. Rakesh Patel. Once stabilized, Calicchio was transferred to Catholic Health's nationally recognized St. Francis Hospital and Heart Center in Roslyn. There, she required another procedure to implant an Impella device, typically used in patients with severe heart failure, to help the flow of blood to the heart. The procedure was performed by Dr. Edward Lundy, St. Francis Surgical Director of the Left Ventricular Assist Device Program. Let's take a closer look.
I started to tell Mike that I was feeling a little numb in my arm. And after that, I was getting a little chest pains as well. And he went and he called the ambulance. Thank God for that. Because if he didn't call the ambulance, I wouldn't really be here today.
Suzanne went into cardiac arrest. And at that time, they had already revived her 26 times. Supposedly, as soon as she got in to the hospital, she flatlined. It was amazing that every time they shocked her, 2-3 minutes, the heart would sustain, and then she would flatline again. And that's why they kept shocking her.
Talk about being blessed with the doctors and the nurses on staff there to pretty much save my life. They saved my life that day. Because to be shocked that many times, I understand that maybe after 7 times is an average. 33 times? Wow. Blows my mind every time I think about it, yeah.
To hear that she got shocked 33 times and she's still here with us today is an amazing miracle.
They sent me over to St. Francis after St. Catherine's, and then I was there for the remainder of the time. So it was about a 3-week stretch.
The team at St. Francis also, amazing job. I couldn't have asked for a better place. Between St. Catherine's of Siena to start, to St. Francis at the finish line. She was there for 3 weeks. She went through kidney failure. She was in dialysis for a week and a half. Again, bless the Lord for bringing her kidneys right back. She went into a pneumonia. They took care of her immaculately. They did the best they could to anybody.
My Catholic Health experience was amazing. And I would recommend anybody that had to choose a hospital to choose a Catholic Health hospital, because they're attentive, they're on it, and they saved my life that day, for sure.
Calicchio is back home working, very busy as the owner of an RV rental business. And she's looking forward to marrying her fiancé, Mike, in 2022. They're both extremely appreciative of the emergency department and the cardiac teams at St. Catherine and St. Francis hospitals who helped save her life. Suzanne wanted to share her story to let others know to listen to your body, because that could be the difference between living or dying. Once again, for the doctors and nurses of Catholic Health, your health is our mission. If you need a physician or hospital service, Catholic Health can help. Call 866-MY-LI-DOC to speak to a physician referral specialist. I'll see you next time.